Oh, Daniel Kerr, Donegal. Wee, Daniel. We want to have a look at your Jackson here. Complete with bullet holes from the Second World War in the top case, where some plank screwed it to the bottom of a shelf. Few scrapes on the bezel. Stripped out thread for that. Bottom case not too bad. That might polish up. Won't get them all out, but get it shiny. So let's see what it does and what it doesn't. The RF gain, there's no end to it, so we might be able to fix that. Won't know till I open it up and have a look. Okay. Volume is okay. The squelches things. FM, AM, upper, lower. One, two, audio, 1 2 1 2. Beep. 1 2 1 2. Check 1 2 1. Mic gain works. RF gain doesn't. 1 2 1 2 1 2. No TX light either. Okay. Hang on now. Let's pull out this. And plug in that. You're a funny boy, right? Jedis don't need pens. They just think and it appears on the paper. Hola, 1 2. Mate, no wonder the meter doesn't work. Cobra quick release speaker. Yeah. Where's the... No, single final MRF. Bias looks to be very low. Indeed. You should be seeing more power than that. So there's something bad somewhere. Meter is totally ghost. Top small smashed and everything. So that's why it don't work. Someone, I don't know what they were at. They made a complete balls of it anyway. So it needs a meter, needs a TX LED. Now we need to see, can we fix this here control? We have RF again. For seeing as I have this off now, I might as well pull out this meter. The wax. See this? It's all cracked. This thing spent a lot of time on the road, I would say. Okay, Daniel, all done. We've went through the full alignment procedure, and she tuned up nice. Everything is done, and let's get the lid sorted out now. And she's ready for road, as the man says. Tuned up nice now, I have to say. And went through the alignment procedure top to bottom with my new toy and my old toy, and everything's good. So let's put it on the dummy load. So we're on AM and we're going into the dummy load here. I know I could do it in this, but I just seem to still like using Vanny's old meter. So 5-watt carrier, 1, 2, and a bit of forward swing, FM, 5 watts, upper side band, and she's pegging it. We go to the higher scale, so we're reading the top scale now. About 20 watts. And go to the lower side band. We have the same. So she is fully sorted, and we're just to get the lids back on her now, and we'll sort it out then. Okay, Daniel, so she's fully sorted out now. Not much happening today, so it's pretty quiet. A few faint voices in the background there, but she's all back together. I just put a strip of vinyl down the centre where all these holes were, so as discussed, he's gonna see can he pick up a set of lids for it. Couple of odd screws because someone drove big self tappers in and ruined the threads in the chassis. So, and on these the chassis is threaded. It's not, they're not inserts like the 148s are, but came out nice. Came out nice. No wonder. IA plus. Yes, my camera was on the wrong settings, so there we are now. It's focusing now. So yeah, happy days. quite pleased with that now, and Daniel is too. So that's it for this video, and we'll get you again the next one. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe and click the old bell there so you can see any future uploads. So all the best from George here in a very wet Ireland today. It's absolutely spilling. That's how you know it's summer here. The rain gets warmer. All the best. Bye bye.